Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're thinking, Katie, I like your pants. Thank you. I got them while I was thrifting. But today, they were like $6. We are clearing out my fridge due to the request of my husband, which honestly, I don't blame him, is really bad. Ready? Let's look. Ready? Slow pan. Ah! Insert scream effect right here. Anyways, so I am going to clear out my fridge, and I invite you to clear out your fridge along with me, so I'm not the only one doing it. It will make me feel better knowing other people are also doing it at the same time. So, without further ado, get up, walk to your fridge, open it up. It probably doesn't look as bad as mine, meaning this will be quicker, and hence is rolling his eyes from behind the camera, but that's okay. And let's clear out our fridge together. Cleaning motivation. Let's go. Since you guys are doing this with me and I'm not the only one doing this, let's start by just, getting rid of all of our old food and leftovers that come to fridges specifically to die. So, yes, let's see. Off to a good start. One thing I will say is that cleaning out your fridge is kind of humbling because you realize how much food you actually waste all the time. So. These are bad. My baking soda I need to replace. And onion. Butter. Ooh, we have hot fudge. Look, best of use by February. This is the really sad part, ready? good. Okay, this is how it's looking really quick. I need to wipe it all down, and I'm going to really quickly go through all of these condiments on the side here and see what I need to get rid of, and then I will bring you along as we deep clean the fridge. So if you're doing this along with me, go ahead and pause the video right here, go through all your condiments in the drawer, and I'll meet you back up so that we can wipe down our fridges. So now what you're going to do is you're going to wipe down your fridge. I use water and Dawn dish soap because I don't want any chemicals in my fridge because that's where everything goes. But yeah, pull out all your racks and knock yourself out. But not literally. My friend Tyler gave herself a concussion on our fridge at our last place. So don't do that. Nice and clean and everything, let me show you something that my mom did when I was growing up that now I do. Jar, preferably glass, and a little bit of baking soda. Whoops, make a mess all over the floor too. And then you stick it back into the back corner of the fridge. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer, and so it will help keep your fridge smelling clean. Now you know. Let me wipe up the floor. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to reload up our fridge, and from there we will move on to the freezer. So if you're following along with me, go ahead and pause so you can put everything back into your fridge and make sure you're caught up, and we will go from there. Now that the fridge is all done, we're going to do the freezer. So same thing. Let's take everything out of it, and then we're going to wipe it all down. So let's do that. Here we go. Okay, here's how we're looking. So really quick, we are going to wipe everything down. Now if you're like me and a breastfeeding mama, I also pump. And so because of that, all of my breast milk is just right here. So just so you know, if you are pumping, if you do have frozen milk, you need to make sure that none of it defrosts, because then you can't use it at all. So with that, let's wipe down the freezer really quick. So now that we have wiped down the inside of our freezer, we are going to load it back up and try to make it so that works for you. I never know how to actually arrange my freezer, so it's always inconvenient for me. So I'm going to do my best, and you do your best too, because we are in this together and we are almost done. So with that, I'm going to load up my freezer, and I hope that you followed along with me, and if you didn't, then go restart this video and go to your fridge and get started on it yourself. But with that, I will see you in my next video. Toodles!